When selling in the Amazon store, you are in control of how you price your products based on supply and demand trends. We recommend prioritizing your customers' satisfaction, as your pricing strategy impacts your seller identity and long-term success. We monitor pricing practices that may harm customer trust and notify you of any policy violations in the Account Health Dashboard. To ensure your success, avoid setting misleading reference prices, setting excessive shipping fees, or selling bundled units at a price greater than prices of individual units sold together. Remember that the price you select in your account is the final price the customer will pay you. It already includes Amazon fees. Avoid pricing your product significantly higher than recent prices offered on or off Amazon. By violating this policy, you may risk your account health rating, put your account at the risk of being deactivated, or lose the ability to become the featured offer. The featured offer is the price that appears at the top of a product. Multiple sellers can offer the same product on Amazon, and your offer may become the featured offer if you become eligible. Unfair prices may also impact your customers' loyalty. For example, when you price products like makeup differently based on skin tone, you risk upsetting customers and receiving negative feedback. To protect your account health, we recommend maintaining consistent pricing across all variations of your product. We actively monitor and flag prices that violate our policies. For more information about pricing, policies, and ways to automate your pricing, review our pricing help pages in Seller Central.